Property tip 1. The secret to being successful in property is by understanding the 4 main points: finance, lending, location, and leverage. Property tip 2. Never buy property without an exit plan. Remember, when investing in anything, there is risk. Always do due diligence and have a backup plan. Think long term when investing in property, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Property tip 3. Property investing can be a quick game, but it takes time to build up equity and passive income. Keep your costs low. For example, don't over renovate and don't over improve. Property tip 4. Stay up to date with market trends and the economy, as it can affect property prices. Don't be afraid to negotiate and do your research on comparable properties in the area before making an offer. Property tip 5. Network with other investors. They may have valuable insights or connections that can help with your property investing journey. And most important, always consult a professional before making any big decision. Property tip 6. The way you have been taught to learn about property is wrong. People who make it in property, they don't read books, they don't go to seminars, and they don't listen to podcasts. Find a mentor who has done it. Property tip 7. Stop listening to random people on the internet. Find a successful investor and learn from them. Surround yourself with successful people in the property industry that will accelerate your success. Property tip 8. The property game is not about getting lucky with one deal. It's about constantly learning and growing as an investor. Always continue to educate yourself and never stop networking. Successful investors are always constantly looking for their next best deal and ways to improve their portfolio. Property tip 9. Keep grinding and staying focused on your goals. Remember, success in property investing takes time, patience, and persistence. Keep pushing forward and don't give up. Property tip 10. Always have a plan and stick to it. Set your goals and do your research and stay focused on achieving these goals. And remember, success in property is about constantly learning and growing as an investor. I've got a bonus tip for you. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and always consult with professionals before making them.